Okay, so this is the last lecture of this course, lecture 12, and it's been a long course on a small book on Bindu. We are discussing about a drop of ocean of devotion in 12 lectures. 12 lectures are nothing. You can even probably, I mean to say, my capacity is to give 12 lectures on this Bhaktivinoda Sindhu Bindu, but probably of Vishwanath Thakur, they can talk till eternity on this book. But that's what I am. But Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela, there's a verse by Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu says, Shuddha Prem Sukha Sindhu Paye Tar Ek Bindu, Sai Bindu Jagata Dubai. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 2.49. Mahaprabhu says, Sukha Prem, Shuddha Prem Sukha Sindhu. This love of God is like an ocean, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. But pai tar ek bindu, but if you get one drop from this ocean, which Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has extracted, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu, it's very difficult to extract one drop from that ocean. We can't do it. But he did it. Sai bindu jagat dobai, it can drown the entire world. So this book, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu, this can drown entire world in love of God. That's the power of this book, and that's the evidence by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, Chaitanya Charitamrita. And in this last lecture, I would just like to summarize what I have said, so that you can get a good conception, and then you can go and you can read this book, and now you will understand what's happening, and you will appreciate this book. The point is, in this book, I told at the beginning, there are 8 main verses. Vishwanath Thakur has chosen 8 verses from so many hundreds of verses by Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Just 8. How do you do that? If you attend a course on Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and we'll tell you so many verses, and we'll tell you, okay, choose 8 important verses. How do you do that? You have to be expert in that subject to choose 8 verses. These 8 verses are main thematic verses, main verses which he chooses, and then here and there he quotes some more verses from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu in his book. Just like in Raganuga Bhakti he quotes 1 verse, and by the and I think in Rasa he quotes 1 verse. But these are the 8 main verses he quotes there, and rest of them he's and also he is quoting some sections of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, some sections, some lines, and some extra verses. So 8 verses plus some 4-5 verses more from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and some lines from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and that's it. This is how small this Bindu is in comparison to Nectar of Devotion, which has 4 sides: eastern, southern, western, northern side. Then there's so many chapters which Rupa Goswami called waves, and so much discussion and that and that. This is such a small book. So why he wrote this book, I discussed in the beginning, and I have explained to you. So as we discussed this course, he wrote this book because his style of presentation is very easy. Rupa Goswami's style of presentation is very difficult, and I showed you in this course how his style is very easy. His language is easy, Sanskrit language. So as I was quoting some of the statements from this book, you might have realized his Sanskrit is like even any kid can understand. Even a person who doesn't know Sanskrit, he can understand. On the other hand, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Sanskrit, even big grammarians, they can understand. Jiva Goswami had to write a commentary on Rupa Goswami Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. The commentary's name is Durgam Sangamini, to actually clarify many grammatical points there, which great grammarians get confused. And this Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu is a summary of that book. Summary means, in the sense, summary, it's like that. It's a small book. It's essence or notes of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. Of course, notes of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur will not be rough notes, that will be the essence revealed from spiritual world. And the most important point of this book is Vishwanath Thakur is continuously fighting in this book with misconceptions of Sahajyas, of caste Goswamis, of useless understanding of religion. He's just fighting again and again. So he's using many words, nirastam, parastam, vimatam, and I've quoted that. Khandanam. He's using this kind of, he's at every step he's saying, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Abhas, he's using, this is reflection, this is chaya, this is shadow, this is not true. This is ruksha, this is dry ecstasy, not real ecstasy. This is fake. All these terms. This book he has written to actually bring Gaudiya Vaishnavism again on true path, which was actually so much, people were so much confused by this Upper Sampradaya people and all these nonsense Sahijyas. Gaudiya Vaishnavism at the time of Vishwanath Thakur, it seemed that we have lost it. We've lost the essence of it, and Vishwanath Thakur revived it back. So that's what Vishwanath Thakur does in this book, and so we have discussed this book in details now, as far as I can do. Now if you read this book, Bhakti Rasa Sindhu Bindu, you will understand it nicely, and not just understand, you will appreciate what Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has done in this book, and how easy he has made this for us to understand and get an overview of this big, let's say, magnum opus of Rupa Goswami, Nectar of Devotion, his main important book. And by reading this book, you will get an entrance into Nectar of Devotion. Vishwanath Thakur never wanted to replace Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. It was a service to Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. By reading this book, we will also get eagerness, because you will get an overview of this book. And then you will understand, okay, I've got an overview, I've got a hang of this book. Now let me fill in details and go in details, and then you will go to Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and you can understand it. Prabhupada has translated this book in English, Nectar of Devotion, so you can read that book. But if you understand this course, it's not even necessary to read that book. In the course I have discussed in a lot of details and most important points what Vishwanath Thakur is hitting at. If you want, of course you will be eager to read that book, you can just get it from net and give a reading. And then we will be expert in Abhidai, and we can then appreciate Rupa Goswami more, what he has done in that book. So thank you very much for being in this course with me. I also got this opportunity to speak on this book, and I think you have all benefited by hearing this explanation of Bhakti Rasa Sindhu, and I am also glad to have a discussion on this book. By doing this course, I was also forced to go in details of this book and analyze it, and also appreciate Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur more. I developed more appreciation for him by doing this course. Again, thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.